Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold chart. Yesterday gold made around 1830 and then crashed. Currently gold trading at the lowest point of the day. In fact, if you have watched my yesterday's live stream, I have told you that the gold might find a resistance around 1834. In fact, in my yesterday's video, you can check on my channel, it is available. I have given you resistance of 1830. So market respected our resistance and reversed from our resistance very well. Yesterday, Fed also released its minutes of last meeting. In fact, there was a very strange change in their sentiment. There is a decisive shift in market sentiment in multiple financial sectors due to that. In fact, Dow Jones crashed yesterday due to that hawkish minutes. If we look closely in Fed minutes, then you will find that in their meeting they have discussed that interest rate will be going higher. In fact, higher and quicker. The main reaction came after we came to know that interest rate will go higher and quicker. Fed also hinted that the rate hikes would be at a faster pace than previously they had expected, and that's what the triggered sell in Dow Jones and S&P. Dollar index and gold also followed that. Dollar index tried to recover and the gold silver crashed. US continuing its streak for COVID-19 cases. It is also posting very high number of COVID-19 cases again. After posting more than 1 million COVID-19 cases in 4th January, US finally posted 900,000 more COVID-19 cases in a single day. So COVID virus has again started destroying the economy and we might be seeing lockdowns very soon. So keep an eye on that because market have reacted different news to differently. So keep an eye on the news because market is very volatile according to the chart. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. Before that, we have some important data today and the data will be coming at 7 p.m. There is unemployment claims, factory orders and services number are 8:30 p.m. according to standard timing, Indian standard timing. So now let's have a look at resistance and support for gold prices. 1818, that is the resistance in gold price today. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1829 and 1840. Support at 1798, that is the double bottom we have discussed 2 days ago, and that is a very major support. If gold break 1798 and sustain below the support, then expect 1790 and 1780. Currently gold prices are trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is a silver and it's being so divisive, so clever this week. It you conveniently broke the resistance and made high around 23-26, then crashed again, and now it is trading at the lowest point of the day. Obviously it is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. $23, that is the resistance for today's trading session. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 23.30 and 23.60. Support at 22.45. If silver break and sustain below 22.45, then expect 22.20 and $22. Currently silver and gold both are trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Even crude oil have entered in weak zone after yesterday's crash. As you can see, it made high around 78 60 and then crashed back to test around 76, 77. It is trading almost at the lowest point of the day. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today. 78 and 10. That is the resistance I have given you yesterday, and that is the resistance is valid today once again. Above 78.10, expect 79 and $80. 75.70, that is the support today. If oil breaks 75.70 and sustain below the support, then expect $75 and $74. Currently, crude oil is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. This is euro chart. Despite recovery in dollar index, it is trading in positive zone. Yesterday it made high around 34.68 and currently trading 13.14. Still it is trading in positive zone. 13.47 was the high, not 13.68. So again, it is still trading in positive zone. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. 1290, that is the support in euro today. If euro break and sustain below 1290, then expect 1250 and 1220. Resistance at 1360. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1390 and 1420. Currently euro trend is flat to positive, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound, currently trading 35.35. Yesterday I have given a buy signal around 35.25. We booked profit around 35.56. After that it went up to 35.99. Currently it is trading in positive zone, but it is just on edge to return to negative. Let me give you the resistance and support. And if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. Support stands at 35.25. Resistance at 3600. Currently it is in positive zone, but it is just 10 cents away, 10 pips away from negative zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. These are Bitcoin levels. You can pause the video to take the screenshot, or you can note down the levels. Let's quickly jump to the Ethereum. This is Ethereum. These are the levels from yesterday's video. I'll just tweak the levels, then you'll know what to do. 37.10 is resistance and 33.50 is support. Trend is still weak, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market levels now. Gold resistance stands at 47,890 rupees. 47,890. Here we have 47,890. Support at 47,620 rupees. Silver is trading 61,360. Silver resistance at 62,050 rupees. Silver support at 60,800 rupees. I will refresh these levels when INR close around 5 p.m. So check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. Also join me for live stream from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on my streaming channel. And for paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is given in description and also available on screen right now. I will see you in my streaming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.